What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some other practice questions for square roots and how to rationalize the denominator. I'm gonna show you some one term or some two term denominator, and this is the final video talking about these dividing square roots. So the first example is root x plus root 8 divided by root x minus root 8. Answer is root x plus root 8 divided by root x minus root 8 times the conjugate of the denominator, which is going to be root x plus root 8 divided by root x plus root 8. These two have to be the same because the ratio is going to be 1. We don't want to change the original equation. So root x plus root 8 times the same thing is going to be root x plus root 8 to the power of 2. We can expand it or we can leave it like that. In denominator I have root x minus root 8 times root x plus root 8. That's difference of squares, and the answer will be x, which is root x times root x, minus root 8 to the power of 2, which is 8. Next example is root m minus root 3 divided by root m plus root 3. The answer is root m minus root 3 divided by root m plus root 3 times the conjugate of the denominator, which is going to be root m minus root 3 to the power of 2, because both of them are the same. Here, the conjugate, we're going to have difference of squares. Root m times root m, or root m to the power of 2 is just m, and root 3 to the power of 2 is just 3. Next example is 15 over root 5. Answer is, you have two methods to solve it. One of them is 15 over root 5. We multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. That's going to be 15 root 5. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So it's going to be 3 root 5. Next example is 3 over 5 root 8. Answer is 3 over 5 root 4 times root 2. 3 over 5 times root 4 is 2, so it's going to be 10 root 2 times root 2 divided by root 2. So it's going to be 3 root 2. 10 times root 2 times root 2 is going to be 20. Next example. Eight over 54. Answer is 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, so it's going to be 2 root 2. 54 is 9 times 6, which is going to be square root of 9 times square root of 6. Square root of 9 is 3, and then you have square root of 6. And then you can say 2 root 2. Square root of 6 is square root of 3 times square root of 2. These two cancel out. It will be 2 over 3 root 3. And then you can multiply it by root 3 and root 3. It's going to be 2 root 3 divided by 9. Because root 3 times root 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is going to be 9. And the last example is 12 over 20. Answer is root 4 times root 3 divided by root 4 times root 5. These two cancel out. It will be root 3 over root 5. And when you rationalize it, it's going to be root 5 divided by root 5. That will make it 3 times 5 is 15. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. So the answer is root 15 over 5. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.